Start doing vlogs, and it's Tuesday. Every Tuesday I'm gonna post a vlog because I'm a freaking savage, and y'all know already. Hey guys, it's me. Happy Tuesday! Tuesday's on the toilet. You'll see. I'm at school now. I'm off the junk bucket. And yeah, look at there. There's a lesbian and there's a homosexual. Guys, that's Emma over there. She's not getting a pop tag. National Boyfriend Day. This is my boyfriend.
Hey guys.
This is Ava's manager right here. Yeah. I'm the star and she's the manager. A weird pop tag to myself. Pop tag, pop.
For real, you're not.
Oh my god. Okay guys, I just got done with school. It was like so fun. Oh my god, I'm so happy. We're on the bus. This is Alexis. Yeah, that's my manager. I'm gonna eat this cheese real quick. Dip in it. Ooh. This is our mukbang. Yeah, this mukbang is really good. How was your day? Just kidding. I love.
There's no eating on the bus.
There's no mukbang because there's no eating on the bus. Sorry, guys. I'm still gonna do it because you do what you gotta do for YouTube, you know? Andrew, what's my YouTube channel? Just. Oh my god, I'm so artsy. Y'all are just jelly. Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. Subscribe to me. Like, I would say that, but like I don't even need subscribers. Like, I have 33 subscribers, so like, do I really need subscribers? Like,